All right, guys, this is Jubilant James. Today, I want to give us update on the poll, on the result of the poll done last week. Yeah, last week I did a poll, which I know most of you have seen it. And in the poll, I asked you to give an opinion on the next series of business I should be talking about. I gave you the option of affiliate marketing, cryptocurrency trading, and network marketing. And of course, currently, affiliate marketing is topping the list. That means affiliate marketing has the largest number of votes. Okay, so from tomorrow, I'll be doing a series. I'll start a series on affiliate marketing. And of course, you know what affiliate marketing is. And in case you don't know, I would actually start up a series on that, how you can start affiliate marketing business opportunity here in Nigeria. I will also expose you to affiliate marketing companies or opportunities or programs that do not allow Nigerians to participate in their program, and show you how you can boycott some of those restrictions and get access to the program and become an affiliate of such companies. And at the same time, I will also show you affiliate marketing opportunities that accept Nigerians, that are made for Nigerians, that you and I can take advantage of and leverage on the program and make actual money from it. And of course, affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative business opportunity on the internet today. Okay, it's one of the most lucrative opportunity on the internet. The reason being that first, you don't really need much capital to get started. You don't need much technical know-how. You don't need to be a techie. You don't need to have programming skills and all that to get started in affiliate marketing. Okay, it requires little investment, little effort, and you can be raking in huge sums of money, 6-figure, 7-figure every month if you put in the work. Okay, so I'll be showing you that from tomorrow. So we'll be doing a series from tomorrow on affiliate marketing. I'll be giving you opportunities, exposing you how you can go about them, how you can sell, how you can set up your sales funnels and your email list and all that during the course of the series. So stay tuned tomorrow. And while that is also happening, I will also be doing a series 2 on cryptocurrency trading and network marketing. Yeah, for those who are into cryptocurrency, or those who are into network marketing too, that would want to, learn more on how they can grow their businesses. And of course, this channel is all about business opportunities, it's all about entrepreneurship, it's all about money making opportunities. Okay, so that's what this channel is all about. We talk about money making business opportunities ranging from e-commerce, network marketing, cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, and all the rest of them. So if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification button so you can always get notification each time I drop a new video beginning from tomorrow. So I'll be dropping new video every day from tomorrow. Okay, so you're gonna learn a lot. You can actually share this channel to your friends to actually subscribe and hit the notification button. See you.